Hey, it's John at Fix-A-Fence, guys. Here in Portland, Oregon. This is Portland Fence Company here, and they're the ones that put in the ribbon fence down here on the Division Street 205 by the Max tracks, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna go show you guys what this ribbon fence looks like, and anyway, stay tuned, and we'll get over there today, and we'll take a couple shots of how they constructed it. Pretty cool fence, man. I don't know if anybody ever seen like that, but it's called artwork. Artwork. They call it the ribbon fence. Trimac architect calls it sky to rose fence. But anyway, we'll go check it out. All right. Hey, so I made it out here to this ribbon fence, or the sky to rose fence. But check this thing out, man. We're gonna get an up close of what it looks like here. Let's get down here, check this out, man. Look at that. 1 inch, no climb, blue. It's been in here for a while. We'll go get a little bit closer look at it, but this is looking pretty good. Look at that stuff there. That's what some of it looks like. We've had to kind of close things off in the middle between, so nobody can see that. I mean, I don't know. Nothing's level. All steel ties, but it's all been joined together. Bolts and stuff like that. So creatively constructive. Kind of cool, really. How it all just kind of wraps around there. I mean, sky to rose, the ribbon fence. Now look at this here. Is that cool or what? I mean, what a trip. Can you believe that this has actually won awards? Look at this here. This is the most amazing part, I think, of the whole structure. It's just kind of, I don't know what to say, man. It's really kind of cool. Look at that. So anyway, yeah, John at Fix-A-Fence out here at this ribbon fence over here by the Max station. It's pretty cool, man, what Trimac tax dollars has come up with for Portland. Anyway, Portland Fence Company did this, and my buddy Troy Deming, the project manager on this, he took the architect's design and put this to reality. Won awards for it. Pretty cool. Maybe one day I'll see if Troy wants to do a little interview about how this project went. Maybe we can give that to you guys out on the YouTube channel. But anyway, John, Portland, Oregon here, showing you the ribbon fence, or the sky to rose fence. Mending broken fences. Have a great day. Yeah, just getting some shots here.